Hello, my name's Gavin, and in this fast path episode, I'll show you one path of creating random data lists inside Excel. So in this fast path episode, I already have part of the structure here. So I just got a bunch of random names here. And what I want to do is assign them a random value between these 12. So I just got a simple table that numbers each one. And what I will do is under the class column, I will do VLOOKUP and then press tab to autocomplete that, and then do random between. And then for the values, I'll do 1 through 12 like I have on the side there. Hit another comma, create this, select this table, F4 that, and then for the column, I'll do 2, and then set that to false. Close that, and it gave us a random value of 11. And then if I just double click that, now we have random values for every single one of these names. And then if you don't want the function there and you just want the values, you can just select them all, copy, paste, Control V, and you're good to go. As you see, it kind of randomly did it again, but that is one way of creating random data lists inside Excel. If you like this episode of Fast Path, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear feedback on this episode, as well as suggestions for future content. Besides that, continue learning and have a nice day.